Hi, I'm Jason Benade.
And I'm Melissa, and we're the owners of Easy Breezy Mobile RV Repair.
We're a mobile RV repair company and we service the Upper Keys here in Florida.
Places like Key Largo, Tavernier, Islamorada, and Fiesta Key.
I've been working on RVs since 2016.
And we were full-time for 8 years, so we know what it's like when you need an RV tech fast.
Give us a call. We look forward to coming out to you and getting you fixed up and back on the road. We treat your RV as if it is our own.